Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Stumble Guys on your iPhone. If you want to download and play an online multiplayer video game developed by Kitka Games on your iPhone, then here is how you can do it. First, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Next, launch open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Stumble Guys and search. Once you find this application, tap on the Get button to begin the download. Wait for the application to download and install on your iOS device, which will only take a few minutes. Stumble Guys is a massive multiplayer party knockout game with up to 30 players online. You can join round after round of escalating chaos to stumble through different levels until one victor is crowned. The application is available for your App Store, Google Play Store, and on your Steam. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button and you'll be able to get the Stumble Guys application downloaded. Allow necessary permissions and log into your account, or simply join in fresh if you are playing it for the first time. That is how you can easily download Stumble Guys application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.